In addition to the text and keyword searches, Spin will also let you create advanced searches. From the Search tab, we simply select Advanced Search. With Advanced Search, you can have Spin search for targeted areas of funding opportunities, which can potentially, but not always, bring you very relevant funding opportunities in your search results. An advanced search lets you create a chain to search very specific parts of funding opportunities. It defaults to a full program search, but I could change that very easily to a search for deadlines, eligibility requirements, funding details, the objectives, limited submission status, sponsor name, or sponsor type. For now, let's leave this first bar as a full program search, and let's type in STEM cells. Now, I can add another row, and let's say I want to search by sponsor type. I can then select whether I want charity, college, university, federal, government, foundations. Federal looks good. Let's see what happens. Each of these is now in an AND relationship, meaning Spin is going to search stem cells in full programs, but those will be limited to federal sponsors. If we click Locate Funding, though, we see that only one search result shows up, and it's a Canadian opportunity. So let's try the search again, but let's make one slight modification. Let's make it STEM cell, and see if that makes any difference. In this case, it doesn't. So let's remove cell and see what just searching STEM does. Now it brings us 13 opportunities and even brings up the STEAM award, which isn't the same as STEM, but Spin is looking for all variations of the word STEM, including possible other words. What this shows us is that each of the search modes will search the database very differently, sometimes successfully, and sometimes not. So let's make another change. Let's instead have it search sponsor type federal, but let's search objectives, and let's try stem cell again. If we click Locate Funding, we find nothing this time. So let's try synopsis. And again, we get nothing. If we clear the second row and click Locate Funding, we get 80 opportunities. So there is a huge caveat with doing advanced search. It has the potential to bring you very relevant results, but it doesn't search the same way as text search or keyword search. So the great opportunities you got earlier may not show up at all. In all fairness, the advanced search rarely brings a lot of opportunities whenever I use it. Still, I want to demonstrate it for you so that you know that the option is there. But to temper your expectations, each time I've used it, I get dramatically fewer results from doing a general keyword search or just doing a text-based search. Still, you should try each of the different search modes to see which one brings the most relevant funding opportunities for your needs. You may have greater success with advanced search for certain projects, but other projects you might have greater success with a text search or just by searching through the available keywords.